I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another liter. Tie up the bands and then run it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena, and today's video is going to be a review on the new Hourglass Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. So in this video, I'll be giving you my opinion on this product as well as giving a demo on applying this product onto my face. So definitely make sure you stay tuned to see if I ended up enjoying the product. And hold up, wait a minute. Sweetie, what are you doing? Have you hit that subscribe button? And turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And we're going to go ahead and get right into the demo and the review. Okay, so this is the packaging for the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. And I have actually tried out the stick foundation, which I actually really did enjoy. So I'm very excited about trying out the liquid foundation because, I mean, come on. If the stick foundation was good, we already know that hopefully the liquid foundation is going to be just as good as the stick foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out so you guys can see it and give you some information on the product. So this was the Hourglass Foundation. I got this in the shade Warm Almond and it retails for $56. Okay, so I did say the foundation was $56, and honey, I about had a heart attack ordering his foundation off of hourglass.com when I seen that $56, because that is a lot of money to be spending on a foundation, especially when you have to keep purchasing it if you like it. But you know what? I wanted to get up this review for you guys to test it out and see if is this really $56 worth of foundation right here in this bottle. Is it going to give us the full coverage? Is it going to make us look flawless? We are definitely going to put that to the test and hope that it works out beautifully. So I'm going to read you the information about the product on the Hourglass site so you guys can know what this product's benefits and features are. So here we go. This foundation is a highly concentrated liquid foundation designed to deliver instant full coverage with just a half a pump. No primer needed. This innovative weightless formula applies like a second skin, creating a smooth and flawless complexion. This foundation is available in 32 shades, and the shade I picked up was Warm Almond, which is a medium deep golden undertone. Also, this product says it is fade proof, 24-hour long wearing formula, lasts all day. It is waterproof, transfer proof, and sweat proof. We're definitely going to see if this product holds up to its claims and benefits and hope that this foundation works out. Okay, if you want to see me try out this foundation in the demo and see if I ended up enjoying this product, then make sure to continue watching and let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, for $56, this is definitely up there with the higher end. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into the demo for the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation. Okay, so they claim that the foundation can give you full coverage with a half a pump. I don't really know about that, Hourglass, but you know what? We're going to give it a try. We're going to do that on one side of my face, see how that works out. If it doesn't give me full coverage, I'm obviously going to blend it up, and let's see if it's full coverage, if it wears on the skin. If you were wondering, I do have dry skin, so hopefully this will cater to my dry skin. It does say it caters to all skin types. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Okay, that was a half a pump, and we're gonna apply this to my face. Let's hope the color works out. But here we go. So this is a half a pump. We're going to apply this on this side of my face, no primer. Okay. I actually think the color is actually really good. I did a good job for ordering online. Okay, and that's just a half a pump of the product on my face. I mean, that's everything off my hand. That's just one pump on my cheeks right here, a half a pump. And actually, I think it's really giving good for a half a pump. I really think it looks really, really good. I think the coverage is amazing. Would I say is full coverage? I don't know. I think that's reaching a little bit. But I'm not going to knock it too much because it is giving really good coverage for the half a pump I did put on my hand. So this is what this looks like. But of course, I'm going to add more because that's what I prefer. I'm going to build it up. So on this side, I'm going to do more than one pump. I'm going to do a pump and a half. Okay, so that's a pump and a half right here. And we're just going to apply that all over the rest of my face. So, yeah. It has a very mild scent to the foundation. I can't think. It smells like, I don't know, like cocoa butter or something. Just a slight hint of cocoa butter. I don't know if I'm crazy, but that's what I smell. I ain't mad at it. Okay, so the foundation is fully blended out. I definitely think the foundation looks really, really good. I think, as you can see, it kind of has like a satin finish. It's not matte. It's not really hydrating. It's definitely in between of the both, which I think is wonderful. I think that's works out perfectly for anybody that has combo skin, oily, dry, normal. It's a perfect in-between finish. Definitely think it has really good coverage. I like how it's sitting on my skin. It doesn't look cakey or anything. It's definitely covering up the imperfections of my skin underneath, so I really enjoy that. I think it doesn't feel heavy or anything. Definitely feels lightweight on the face. I don't feel like it's weighing down my face with product, so that's also a plus. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this foundation. I definitely think this is a product that is definitely worth trying. And if you don't want to spend the $56 on the foundation, definitely get you a sample at Sephora and try it out and see how you like it, because I definitely think it's something that's worth the splurge. I'm going to see how the rest of the products on my face you know, mix with the foundation. Hopefully everything blends out wonderfully and the products look good together. But other than that, I think right now I really like the foundation. I like the coverage. I like everything about it. So we're going to go ahead and get right into putting the rest of the products on my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I think everything blended out perfectly on top of the foundation. I think the foundation still looks amazing. It looks full coverage. It's definitely a foundation that I think I'm going to enjoy, and I'm just very impressed with it. I actually like it. I think the color match was very good, and I'm loving it, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm absolutely loving this product. Definitely check the description box. I will try to have an update on the foundation, how it wears and everything throughout the day. But as of right now, I think everything looks amazing. I think the biggest question I'm going to get from this video is, would I recommend this product? And as of right now, I'm really enjoying the product. I think it looks wonderful. I know the price point is a little bit high. This foundation is $56, which is, you know, on the upper end of the spectrum of foundations. But you always have the alternative where you can go try out the foundation at Sephora, so you don't have to buy it first to try it out. You can get a sample from Sephora and see how you like it. If it's something that you would like to splurge on, then I think that's your decision to make. But for me, I think that this is definitely a foundation that I will keep using, and I think that it looks beautiful on the skin, and I'm very impressed with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me reviewing and doing a demo on the Hourglass Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. I definitely enjoyed doing this video, so please let me know in the comments what other products you would like for me to review or try out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!